Good morning, everyone. We're doing a little daily reading in the Greek New Testament. And of course, those of you that may not be aware, the Greek New Testament, the biblical Greek, kind of used to be like English of the ancient world during the life shortly after Christ. Greek influence was quite powerful. It was business language, and many scholars, even the Old Testament, was translated into Greek and used by the Jews of Jesus' day. It was called the Septuagint. So the New Testament was originally penned as given from God into the Greek language. So it's very important that as we study the scriptures that we learn biblical Greek. And as a Greek professor of mine used to say, it's like reading the Bible in color. Each word has its own range of meaning and nuance. And you can only get that by learning Greek and reading it in the Greek. So we're doing just that. So let's go ahead and start in verse 26. We're talking about reading in 1 Corinthians 14:26, and Paul is discussing the how to be orderly in public worship in the church of his day. All right, let's pick up in verse 26. Teun estin adelphoi hatan synarcheste. Ekestas Philmon etchai dilecen. Etche apocalypsen, etche glassen, etche harmonean, etche pantaplos oikodamen. Genisto ette glassetis lale kata dio eto pleston tres. Kai ana maros kai hes dermeneto einde me dermenitatis. Segato en ecclesia hauto de leleto kai to theo prophete kai de dio e tres leletasan kai hoi aloi diakrinatas tosan ian de alo apocalyphe kathemano ho protos sigoto dunazde gar kath henna pantes prophetion henna pantes manthanosen kai pantes parakalantai kai pneumata propheton prophetais upo tacetai augar esten akatastasias ho theos alla erenes hos en pases tas ecclesias ton hagion kai gonekes entes ecclesias segatosen augar eptrep epitheptai, it is allowed, epitheptai autis, lalen alla hypotasas thesan, kathos kai ho namos lege. Verse 35. Ede ti mathen thelusen en oikotos idios andras eperatatosan estran gar esten geneki lalien en ecclesia e af haimon ho lagas tau iu exelthen es haimos manus catentesen. Catentesen. Verse 37. Etis doce prophetis ene e pneumaticos epigenosceteto ha grapho hanen hati Kyriou esten entale aidetis ignoie agnoite hoste adelphoi mu zalute to propheten kai to lalen me colete gluses panta de eusemonos kai kata taxen genasto. All right. So we just finished up 1 Corinthians 14. And again, the beauty of this, we've got the Strong's numbers, we've got the parts of speech for each one of these words, just a ton of information here. So let's just take a look at one word, thelusen, they desire. So if you click up here, you can see it means thelusen, they wish or they desire. If we click on it, it's going to open up the Englishman's Concordance. So you can see other references to the word. You begin to get a kind of a better understanding of the context of the word. So you'll see references where it's used, but they themselves will not. They loosen. You can see the negative here in the Greek, but the same word. If they desire to learn anything, te methen, they loosen and liku. You not commendably, but they wish to shut. To those desire to make a good showing. Desire, they wish, they want. Okay. So you begin to see the breakdown. You also see over here the different forms. That's cool. In the Strong's Concordance. So you just kind of keep digging here if you really want to dig into a word to hear how often I wanted to gather. The different formats of the word and how many times it occurs in the scriptures. Wow, it's just fantastic. So you really begin to get the flavor of the word. All right. This is kind of like the root form here. Very cool. All right. Well, it's great to just practice our biblical Greek fluency. The more we read, just like any language, the smoother we're going to get. And we're going to start to understand words. My desire is to create a teachable course where we can put all of this fun stuff with some vocab cards. I think it'll be great. All right. Hey, everybody, have a great day today. God bless.